The governorship candidate of the Zenith Labour Party, Obiora Okonkwo, is being widely accepted by Anambrarians both at home and in diaspora. His latest admirers are Anambra people who live and run their business in northern Nigeria. The group coordinator, Nwosu, during a meeting with his members in Ogidi, promised to mobilize support for the victory of Obiora Okonkwo and the Zenith Labour Party.
My group, actually, those of us Anambra people in the north, watched what happened in the east during some of the primaries. And after the primaries, we came together, met within ourselves, and then took a decision that based on what we saw at some of the primaries, that Dikeora, somebody that we need to get close to see how God can use us to help him to become the next Anambra State Governor, based on the antecedents we saw in him. The first one is that Anambra is known for commerce in the whole Nigeria and Africa. And Dikeora has plans to turn Anambra into the Dubai of Africa. We are aware. Secondly, for those of us who are outside the Anambra State, the diaspora people, not just in the north of Nigeria, outside Nigeria, he has a very lofty plan to create, diaspora ministry when he becomes the governor that will be established just everywhere. Most of the big states in Nigeria, the ministry will be established there. You understand me? So those of us outside Igbo land, outside Anambra State anyway, it is a lofty plan. It's never been done before. And then finally, take note of that. It's going to work with the electoral people to make sure that Anambra people outside Anambra State will be able to cast their vote. The question in Anambra is to get somebody who can revitalize Anambra State. There has been some decadence since the present occupant of that office at Agoka has been there. So we need a visionary leader. Those of us Anambrarians in the north, believe that Dikeora can do that. So we are not concerned with Zenith Labour Party, but of course we know antecedent of that party because the person manning that party, Chief Dan Wanyanwu, is somebody who is a guru in party politics in Nigeria. We know he established the Labour Party in Nigeria and for more than 10 years has been there. So for him to now be presiding over this Zenith Labour Party, we know what he can do. But like I said, we are more concerned with the individual who is running. It is the person we are after.
The ZLP candidate appealed to the Independent National Electoral Commission to ensure the electoral process is credible.
I only hope that the election will be free and fair. I cannot swear to it because a lot of factors do play during the conduct of the election. But I know that INEC is determined to be an unbiased umpire. And I pray also that we political actors in the context should try to abide by the rules. It is important to reach out to people, tell them what you have for them, convince them to vote for you. It is usually catastrophic when you impose yourself on the people and when you have no vision for the state. We are paying the price of visionless leadership. It cannot be overemphasized that our problem remains problem of leadership. And our leadership, bad leadership come on board with a poor and flawed selection process, which you have seen in all the three major political parties, and then an election that is not free and fair. It should be everybody's concern that a better leadership is required, and until you have the right person who is equipped, who is knowledgeable, who is experienced, who has some vision, who is courageous, and coming with a lot of integrity and pedigree into governance that you can easily see in the private sector, we will not get it quickly.
Obiora Okonkwo says his victory at the poll will usher in a new era that will reposition Anambra State for development and prosperity.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.